Hey guys, I wanted to share this delicious chili chicken recipe. To 1.5 pounds of chicken pieces, add half a teaspoon sea salt and about 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of soy or tamari or coconut aminos, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then you add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot starch. Toss all of these together in a mixing bowl, and then keep it aside for 15 minutes and then shallow fry for about 4 minutes on each side until the chicken pieces are like almost 80% cooked and crisp on the outside. Transfer this to another plate, and then to the same skillet you add some vegetables and some spices like sea salt and chili powder, and then deglaze the pan with about 2 cups of water. Next, you mix 2 tablespoons of arrowroot in half a cup of water and keep it aside. Then add some more seasoning like tamari or soy sauce, and then add the slurry to the sauce and continue to stir until your sauce thickens. Next, add the chicken pieces to the sauce and let it simmer once again for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now it's time to serve it. You can eat this with cauliflower rice or white rice.